Hello, my name is Stephanie Monteith, and today I'm going to be talking to you about cultures, and the types of cultures and the performing of one specific type of culture. So there are two different types of cultures. There are mixed cultures and there are pure cultures. Pure cultures are specific to one type of organism that you're going to see, whereas mixed cultures you're going to see multiple. A reason that that's performed is to see what kind of antibiotic sensitivity that organism has, and we use that in medicine, things like that, whenever we're treating our patients. So there are different types of ways to isolate an organism through cultures. You can do a spread plate, a pour plate, and a streak plate. Specifically for this video, we're going to talk a little bit more in depth about streak plates. So streak plate is based on dilution. It's used in a agar plate, and we are going to use a loop of the specific culture, and we're going to spread it across the agar plate and dilute it so that we can decide what type of organism it specifically is, and you can get a count off of it as well. So this process is done with, like I said, an agar plate and a metal loop. So when you're performing this, you will sterilize your area to reduce any kind of contamination. You will use ethanol to wipe down your area. You'll turn on a Bunsen burner to help purify the area around where you're going to be performing this. And you sterilize your metal loop, and you will run it across the burner and let it cool before. There's a video that showed that they actually placed the metal loop into the agar to let it cool before placing the metal loop into the culture itself. So that's an option. And once you have a sterile loop, you'll place it into your culture and you'll spread it over a quarter of your agar plate. Then you will sterilize your loop again, turn your agar plate, and you will again streak across your plate. However, when you're doing this, you're going to slightly take your loop and you're going to cross it through the previously streaked area onto this next quarter, and you'll repeat this process over and over. So by doing that, you're going to simply dilute the concentration between the first quarter, the second quarter, the third quarter, and the fourth quarter. And then you'll put this into a inoculation and let this, cook, essentially. And when it's done, you'll be able to see the concentration of your culture in the first quarter through the last quarter go down. You'll be able to count this, see what it is, and like I said, they do this in hospitals and things like that, so that when they're giving you an antibiotic, they're getting an antibiotic that's specific to this bacteria. Our bodies carry a lot of different bacteria, so you wouldn't want to just take antibiotics killing our good bacteria, or reducing our sensitivity to antibiotics because we just take them. So yeah, this is one specific technique on how to obtain a pure culture and the different types of cultures. Thanks.